What's going on, guys? Now we're able to finish our motor today. Partially finished, but we can finish our throttle setup and our springs for the throttle cable or pedal. We gotta rebuild that too. But we got our package in that we've been waiting on so we could finish this off. It's from Ombwarehouse. A special thanks to those guys. Special thanks to those guys for sending this. Get your sticker, your business cards, which we're going to have plenty of stickers out. Here's the cable we got. I got the shortest one, since we're not running a full throttle or cable all the way down the go-kart. They also sent us a jackshaft sprocket, which is going to be on this for this build, but we're going to do something a little different with it, so you guys have to wait on that one. And we got springs. We're going to use one of these springs for our brakes or throttle on this go-kart, and the other springs going to the off-road go-kart. These are the heavy-duty ones, which are really good. It's something we're going to need for the off-road application. And then the sprocket here for the jack shaft, I believe, is a 19 tooth, 5/8. So, like I said, this will be on another build for this go-kart. Sure would. I knew this was going to happen like this. So these holes weren't really, whoops, these weren't drilled out. So I just took a little screw and just kind of use that to see if I could bore it out a little bit. And then this will just go under there, and then you put in a little safety pin. Not a safety pin, this little pin right here. Retaining clip, whatever it is. But yep, I'm gonna do that. When I get back, we're gonna take it out there and mount it, and then switch out our sprocket. Alright, so just gotta reinstall this clevis piece. Takes 2 washers. I only had one. Like that. Just damaged my new header sleeve, guys.